Welcome back to the Journal Audit tutorial series. A journal may claim to be indexed everywhere, but a claim is not evidence. Module 09 reads the Visibility Dashboard. Article access is tested link by link, indexing services are checked at their own source, and any machine result that is wrong can be corrected by a human through manual verification. Welcome back. Let us open the Journal Audit page and enter the saved Aducia audit. This module reads the Visibility section, proof that the journal can truly be found by readers and indexing engines. For accreditation assessors, visibility is not a statement on the journal site. It must be proven with checkable links. We click Visibility in the Audit Results sidebar. The top row sums up how many indexing services were identified out of all services checked automatically. The Recheck Visibility button reruns every check from scratch, for instance, after the journal site has been fixed. The Article Access card tests each article's links one by one, the DOI, the article page, and the PDF file. Each row shows how many links are available and how many were verified directly, complete with HTTP status codes. A dead link means a reader arriving via the DOI gets lost, a real problem for the journal, not just a number. Unconfirmed articles are listed per link type, and every row provides its own manual verification button. The journal identity card checks 3 basic markers: the ISSN, the journal site, and DOI availability in records. Without a consistent identity, indexing services cannot be certain which journal they are actually reading. The Indexing Check Results section separates identified services from those not yet confirmed. Every chip links to evidence, the journal's profile page on the service itself, not a one-sided claim on the journal site. Not confirmed does not always mean not indexed. The machine may have failed to reach it, and manual verification answers that. The Machine Reachability card tests the routes harvesters use: the site, archives, OAI PMH, and the sitemap. OAI PMH is the official gateway for aggregators such as Garuda and Base. If it is shut, articles are never harvested. Below it, the fee, license, access, and archiving policy readings list the elements found, each with its quotation. Now, let us manually correct one machine result. Click the Verify button on one of the checks. The verification drawer shows the check's name and the source address the machine just read. The Open button opens that address in a new tab, so you judge the evidence with your own eyes before deciding. The outcome is set in the verification result field. This time, we choose Confirmed. The verification note records your evidence. That note is what separates verification from merely flipping a status. Save the verification. Manual results outrank machine results and appear in the report as editor evidence. And with that, we have read the whole visibility dashboard, from article links to editor verification. Visibility now reads as a body of evidence rather than a list of claims, links that were tested, services checked at their source, and editor verifications stored in the report. The next module dissects the citation audit, self-citation, same publisher interjournal citation, and reference dominance. See you there.